Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome to a brand new adventure of Clogs on the Mountain. My name is Cos and I'm the Scrambling Dutchman. Yes, back out in the Ogden Valley, and today we're heading up that way to Linibbo and we're doing Sub Cneifion Rib. 4 pitches of VD, 3-star route, so I'm really looking forward to this. I'm out with Rhys today. Let's get up there and start the first pitch. The approach is really straightforward. Come up here and we're at the start of the route. Looking good. First pitch is a 3-star pitch in its own right. Really keen to get up there and see what this route is about. Let's wreck up and get going. Cneifion Rib. I'll start here on the left. The first ascent of the route was made on the 12th of July 1931 by J. Edwards. And I could see straight away why this route was set to climb. Boom! The route offers a fantastic rock, great sense of exposure and cracking views over the Ogden Valley. With the adrenaline coursing through my veins and the fantastic climbing, I got sucked in, and Rhys had to remind me not to forget placing gear. The first pitch, more or less, goes straight up the buttress. The moves were simply fantastic and only made me hungry for more. There were plenty of gear placements and of good quality. Hi. The route gets described as going left around the bulge, but I didn't see a way through. So I continued straight up. And with finding a stock cam around the corner, made me realise I wasn't the only one who's travelled this way. However, I did get the feeling the quality started to drop. And I can't help but wonder if going left would have been the better option. I was committed to the right. Still, I enjoyed the climbing. At this point, I started feeling that the route was definitely losing its touch. I can't help but wonder if I should have stayed to the left. With that said, I knew I wasn't too far from the belay point. Right, 30 meters, yeah, it should be here. And then reaching the first pitch belay point.
This is quite a quick pitch as well, is it?
Aye?
This is quite a quick pitch.
Yeah, it will be a quick one, mate. It's only up the top to this. The start of the second pitch is fairly easy, so with another climbing party right behind us, I decided to move our belay point a bit higher up on the second pitch. And this section of the buttress was probably the best bit of pitch number 2. For the third pitch,
like
more or
Rhys.
less scramble to the right from the top of the second pitch to the belay point of pitch number 4.
Right, there we go. The final pitch. Good. Good, good. Rock the nose. Rock around the nose. Rock around the nose. Okay. Okay. That's polished. After rocking the nose, climb the arete, which ends up in a crack climb to the top. Hi. The sense of exposure was fantastic over here, and in my opinion, pitch number 4 was definitely the winner out of the 4. I found getting established on the arete was a bit on the tricky side. However, as soon as I reached the crack, the climbing was simply fantastic. Slack. And then close to topping out and reaching the final belay point. So yeah, that was definitely tasty, guys. First pitch was great. Second and third, didn't care much for it. The last pitch, what a finale! What a finale! A bit squeaky bum time, rocking around the midsection to the crack, but overall, I'd say it's definitely a 3-star road. Highly recommend doing it. So yeah, just getting Rhys up, and then we're gonna crack on and do something else. But if you like this adventure, guys, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, unless you've already done that. You want to get more benefits out of the channel, just check out our members area. For now, thank you all for watching, and I hope to catch you on the next one. See you later, guys.